Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a lady spin hip catch bounce. Knowing how to do a lady spin already be really helpful. Knowing how to do a lady spin bounce would be really helpful as well. Any experience with hip catches would be good as well. Links to all that stuff in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to find it if you want to go back and recap anything. But jumping in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is basically a hybridization of a lady spin bounce using a hip catch to create the bounce. So if we start off right to right, we go back. Standard preparation for the lady spin. Instead of trying to catch the lady's arm as the lady is going around, we're going to be reaching to put our fingertips in behind the lady's hip. We're going to make sure we stay out of the way of the lady's arm. We're going to reach so that we can stop the lady when she gets all the way around and redirect into a return spin and a catch. So if we do that from the other side, we'll think numbers. So we go back 1, preparation 2, spin 3, hip catch 4, return spin 5 and catch 6. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a lady spin, hip catch. We go a back, prep, spin, catch, return spin and catch. And that is the whole thing. It's just a sweet little variation to add a little bit of variety to something you probably already use. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you check out the windows in the last few seconds of the video, there will be a link to a music video, which would just be something nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.